All right, guys, we got a 2007 Chevy Tahoe blower motor. They say it's not working, so we're gonna check that out. And we're showing that the blower motor does work. I have the engine started now. You can see we got it on full blast, and I don't hear anything. And we're gonna try everything. So I hear the actuator's working, but not the blower motor. So we're gonna check that out right now. So the blower motor is gonna be on the passenger side. All right, guys, I think it's right under here. The blower motor, it's probably right there. I don't know what's holding this in here. Probably some kind of screws or clip. Yeah, there's a screw there. I got 7mm. 7mm. There's one way over there in the back. So we're just gonna slide that over. I'm just gonna slide it over. This is way in the back a little bit. Put the glove compartment down like this, like that. And then the blower motor is right there. So we got the blower motor right there. We got a plug right there. Comes out. And we are gonna see if we got power over there. Hey guys, this comes out of this, I'm not sure what this is, some kind of module. This is probably the speed variable resistor type thing. And we're gonna come out of here, right here first. See if we got any power. We got a plug right here too. Yeah, that's probably where you can plug it. Huh. Duh. That's how they do it. Guess where you unplug it, so seen that. Alright, so we're gonna back probe. It's easy to back probe that then. You probably could just put it right there. You don't even have to. It's so big wires. Just put your back probe right in there. Jesus, there's some big wires. So anyways, we're gonna back probe it right now. So we got power. As you see, we had power. We had almost 12 volts. And let's take out the old one so we can kind of see what the new one is. Sometimes what I do is I took it off. Guys, I've had bought cheap motors and you can tell they're cheap. So I bought this one. I'm gonna put a really high quality one I usually get. The customer bought this one, but don't buy the really cheap ones, man, because they just sound cheap. They just sound cheap, man. I would recommend buying the OEM one or just a better quality one. They just sound like a Walmart cheap fan. All right, guys. So what we have here is there's no screws. Looks like I don't see anything that holds it in. I think it just tightens in, man. So let's see what we can get it out of there. Looks familiar. Hope you guys can see there's like a lever here. You just pull it down and you could just rotate it over. Very simple. All right. So we got that one out. Looks a little different. I don't know if that one will fit. We'll see. Might have to be like a extra long plug. I don't know if they give me another harness in there. Probably not. Let's see how that works. So you always can take this one off and cut it and put it in there, but let's see here. It's hard to do with one hand. There you go. I don't think this one will fit in there. What? Yeah, just makes it really long. You have extra wire, so there you go. Let's put the new one in. Remember, that was the tab I was showing you guys. You bent forward to turn it. So we're gonna do the same thing. There you go. Clicked in. Nitrogen. Only thing, you're probably gonna get some zip ties and zip this up because it's gonna be extra long. Oh, I'm tripping here. All right, guys, we got it in. Let's see if it works now. Hopefully it does. There we go, guys. All done. She's working. Repairs done, guys. I'm gonna link the description for the quality blower motor. I'm gonna put OEM and the better quality used one for you. Just remember, you buy cheap ones, they sound cheap and they sound horrible. All right, guys, thanks for watching Big Rig Fix. Hope this helped you out, guys. Thanks. Bye.